Hey YouTube. I'm going to do another one from the early 80s. Roxy music, Love is the Drug. The verses and the intro of this song are just basically what we're playing here, and if you were going to play the full chord would be a D minor 7, but we're just playing the top 3 strings. And then we go to an A minor 7. Ain't no big thing to wait for the bell to ring. And they're just kind of doing stabs, mostly on the top 2 strings. Ain't no big thing. I think it is slightly different rhythm on the D. It has that, they give like 4 stabs, and then the A, I think they just give 3. So I think it must stay on the D minor a little longer than the A minor. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's the whole song except for love is the drug. That is just simply C to G. Goes down to F and then back to C. I think they're probably playing it up here. C up here. G would be, so C would be at the 8th fret. G will, 8th fret, this would be 6 note, or 6 string root at the 8th fret. And then that's a bar chord. G bar chord at the 10. And then they play like a little riff, something like that. And then when they come back to the C, it's like something like that. Okay, but most of the songs just kind of a disco feel. All right, great song though by Roxy Music. In the early post-punk kind of disco-y mashup. Thanks for watching. Bye.